Before that, I will take the attendance. Ardra,
Present, sir.
Abhijit K, Abhijit KP,
Present, sir.
Abhirag,
Present, sir.
Abhin VK,
Present, sir.
Aditya,
Present, sir.
Advait,
Present, sir.
Afra, Akshaya,
Present, sir.
Amal P,
Present, sir.
Amana,
Present, sir.
Ameya, Ameya O, Amgida,
Present, sir.
Ananya,
Present, sir.
Anusri, Anusri
Present,
U,
sir.
Anusri V,
Present, sir.
Anvaya,
Present, sir.
Arya,
Present, sir.
Adul A,
Present, sir.
Adulam Vinod,
Present, sir.
Chandana,
Present, sir.
Diya C,
Present, sir.
Diya TM,
Present, sir.
Farhana,
Present, sir.
Fatima Jumina,
Present, sir.
Rinsi,
Present, sir.
Fida Fatima,
Present, sir.
Hiba Fatima, Hiba Fatima, Hasna,
Present, sir.
Jaydeep,
Present, sir.
Khadija,
Present, sir.
Rayhan, Mohammad Rayhan Afif, Mohammad Shahin, Mohammad Fazal, Mohammad Shaz,
Present,
നന്ദന
sir.
ഷാസ് ഉണ്ടോ? ഓക്കെ, ബാക്കിയുള്ളവർക്കെല്ലാം എന്താ പറ്റി? എൻ്റെ മുന്നിലുള്ളവർക്ക്
Present.
നന്ദന രാജ്,
അറിയില്ല.
മൃദുൽ പി,
Present, sir.
രാഗിൽ എ,
Present, sir.
റാണി അബ്ദുൾ ഖാദർ, വിശാൽ,
Present, sir.
സഫീല,
Present, sir.
സരിക, സരിക, സയന,
Present, sir.
സയന,
Present, sir.
സിക്ത,
Present,
സ്നേഹ,
sir. Present, sir.
സൂര്യനന്ദ, വിനയ,
Present, sir.
Okay, today we will start the same group discussion, okay, on different topic. And today, I think okay, Amana, Amaya, Amgida, Ananya Rajiv, Anusri V, Anusri U, Anusri V, Anvaya, Arya Suresh. ഓക്കെ, അത്രയും പേർക്കാണ് ഇന്ന്. ഓക്കെ, എല്ലാവരും റെഡി അല്ലേ?
Yes, sir.
So this is a topic. So I will give you some 5 minutes. Now it is in my laptop. It is 10:47. You can discuss for 5 minutes. And we will start at 10:52. Okay, shall we start? Okay, someone can introduce the topic and lead the presentation.
Hello. India showcased highest rank in 4 decades. Neeraj Chopra won the gold medal in men's javelin with the best attempt of 87.58. India has won 7 medals in Tokyo Olympics. That is 7 medals include 1 gold medal, 2 silver medals, and 4 bronze medals. Meera Banu Chanu silvers in weightlifting in 49 kilo. India's first medal at Tokyo Olympics was the first silver medal for an Indian in weightlifting in the Olympics.
ഓക്കെ, അടുത്ത ആൾക്ക് കണ്ടിന്യൂ ചെയ്യാം. ഇതിങ്ങനെ ഒരാൾ പറഞ്ഞു, ഓക്കെ നിങ്ങൾ പരസ്പരം കാണുന്നുണ്ട്, നിങ്ങൾ അടുത്ത ആൾ കണ്ടിന്യൂ ചെയ്യണം. ബാക്കി ആർക്കും ഒരു പോയിന്റും പറയാനില്ല? അനുശ്രീ, അനന്യ, അങ്കിത.
Sir, good morning. My name is Anushri, and I'm here to say about India in Tokyo Olympics. India has ranked 48 among all the countries in the world witnessing the Tokyo Olympics, and India has won one gold medal by the athlete Neeraj Chopra in 57 in javelin throw, and 2 silver medals by Ravi Kumar Bania and Mirabai Chanu in wrestling and weightlifting, and 4 bronze medals by PV Sindhu, Lavlina, and Bajrang Punia, and by the Indian hockey team. After in this Corona time, India has done a very, very great job in Tokyo Olympics that India can rank 48 among all the countries. After 41 years of hard work, India has won a bronze medal in hockey. And in this Corona, Indian players has taken a lot of hard work to be a part of Tokyo Olympics as best players and best sport country, and these players has made our country proud among all the countries in the world. Thank you.
Sir, good morning. India finished a 48th on medal tally Tokyo, its highest ranking in over 4 decades. A number of medals of India would have actually finished 33 award. However, to ranking done primarily based on gold medals won. Then previous best of India's prevailed was and 51st rank of finish of the Beijing 2080, when India too won of the medals of including Abhinav Bikard gold. India has finished of significantly higher of in areas in which to used to win gold of hockey, but the time is not really comparable to both because because of the orders sent to the countries of that have come into heavy science of hand. A number of sports of hands of medals in Moscow for interest of India finished 23 running out with just of solitary medal and a hang of gold, a rapid and the scenes of the sport of the Moscow for intestines of India finished 2-3 rank out, but just of solitary medal, the hockey gold, a repeat of the Tokyo would have placed of India to 63rd of measure of to how different of two years of air.
Okay, others, Amaya, Amgita, Ananya, Rajiv, Anusri, you, Anvaya.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, ആരെങ്കിലും ഒരാൾ അമയ.
Okay, sir. Good morning. After a long time, long and impatient wait, the country will witness its strong and taking part of 18 sports events. The last time India won a gold medal was in 2012 Olympics. After that, India could not get a gold medal, and now in 2020 Olympics in Tokyo, Neeraj Chopra has done this for India. He won gold medal for India in Olympics.
ഓക്കെ, അടുത്തയാണ്. നേരത്തെ ആരോ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്തിരുന്നല്ലോ അല്ലേ?
Sir,
പറഞ്ഞു.
after a long time, Indians are doing very well in Olympics. That now India's position is 48. India's got 1 gold medal and 2 silver medals, making every Indian proud. Javelin thrower Neeraj Chopra on Saturday won gold at Tokyo Olympics in the men's javelin throw, and Mirabai Chanu wins silver for India on day 1 on Tokyo Olympics.
ഓക്കെ, അനന്യ,
Good
അനുശ്രീ.
morning, all.
ഓക്കെ,
Sir,
ഓക്കെ,
പറയട്ടെ.
പറഞ്ഞു.
We all know that Neeraj Chopra has won first gold for India with an astonishing throw of 87.58 meter. His gold medal in men's javelin throw Saturday brought joy to a billion hearts across the country. Some had tears of joy in their eyes watching him on the podium, while a lot more had goosebumps listening to the Indian national anthem being played at the Olympic Stadium in Tokyo. Neeraj Chopra is a big hope for Indian as he is capable to fetch a medal in the Olympics. His match for the medal is on 7th August 2021. His stellar performance on the penultimate day of the Tokyo Games helped India reach its best ever tally at the quadrennial event and end its memorable journey with 7 medals, including 2 silver and bronze medals.
In my opinion, India is doing very well in Tokyo Olympics. India has finished 48th on the medal in Tokyo. India has won 7 medals in Tokyo Olympics in 2021. These 7 medals include 1 gold medal, 2 silver medals, and 4 bronze medals.
Ananya?
India finished 48th on the medal in Tokyo, its highest ranking in over 4 decades. Um, Indian Tokyo Olympics medal. India has won 7 medals in Tokyo Olympics 2021. For these 7 medals include 1 gold medal, 1 silver medal, and 4 bronze medal. On this page, we are going to discuss the Mirabai Chanu silver in weightlifting in the 49 kilograms category. India's first medal at the Tokyo Olympics was the first silver medal and for an India in weightlifting in the Olympics. It also country's second medal in weightlifting.
Okay, I think all of you completed one set of discussion. At least I'm happy that it has improved from what has happened yesterday. So yesterday, many were not speaking about the topic, but today, most of you have spoken something about the topic at least one time. Okay, but it is not like a healthiest group discussion, but it is somewhat okay. At least everyone participated, but in my opinion, it has not turned to a group discussion because many of you, in my opinion, I don't know what actually happened. Many of you have searched the topic in Google and mobile. Some paragraph were coming. Most of the time, some news report or something. The words which you have used while speaking was like that language. Okay, in that kind of language where newspaper and news channels will report. Not not a language of a common man. Okay, at least you have done that one. You have searched and you are explaining some point. But in your opinion, I'm asking your opinion now, whether it was a healthier discussion or what change we need to include in this one, or how to turn this kind of discussion to a healthiest group discussion. Anyone can tell me what changes we should adapt to improve this group discussion? So when I was explaining the theory portion, I was explaining like this: a person has to explain or speak for 2-3 times of length, some 20 second or something, or 3 to 4 minutes, not more than like. He has to how a discussion will conclude. Or one person will be speaking not only for an not for an instant. He will be speaking, or he will be speaking for 2 or 3 times within a discussion. That should happen here actually. Okay, you will be having certain kind of point. In this also, India in Tokyo Olympics, we can put forward one point like India is in population wise, India is in first, second, third or something like that, and area wise 7th position. So why the participation is less, or why population wise it is almost equal to China, but China got a lot of gold medal comparing with India. India got only one, China got some 26 or something. So what happened in India? That also you can put that kind of discussion can be started by somebody. Then it will be very nice. So other people also can explain some points related to that. Now what happens is actually you are searching in some Google and getting some points. You will be reading that one. So in this discussion also, most of them told India got one gold medal like that, and you were speaking their names and all. So most of them explained the same point. So it is not a healthiest discussion. So when a discussion happens, discussion means each person will be speaking for at least 2-3 times, and there will be a lot of points. So finally, there will be one person who will conclude all this point. അല്ലേ? അങ്ങനെയാണ് നമുക്ക് വേണ്ടത്. ഒരു എന്താ പറയുക, ഒരു ഡിസ്കഷൻ ആവുമ്പോൾ ഒരു തവണ പറഞ്ഞ അവിടെ നിർത്തലല്ല നിങ്ങൾ. ഓക്കെ, സോ ഈ ഇതിനെ ഒരു വലിയൊരു ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ഡിസ്കഷൻ ആക്കി നിങ്ങൾ എടുക്കണ്ട. സോ just assume that this discussion is just a starting for you, because now you understand how you can speak, how much you can participate in a discussion. The same should not happen after 4 years. After 4 years, when you pass out of this college or your course, you should be able to explain this kind of things in a better way. You should have a better language. You should have a better communication. ഓക്കെ, അങ്ങനെ ആയാലും നമുക്ക് എന്ത് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും? വളർന്നു വരാൻ പറ്റും, അല്ലേ? അപ്പോൾ എപ്പോഴും നമ്മൾ എന്താ പറയുക, വളർന്നുകൊണ്ടേ ഇരിക്കണം. അല്ലാതെ നമ്മൾ എപ്പോഴും ഒരു ലെവലിൽ, ഇപ്പം നിങ്ങൾ ഇതേപോലെ തന്നെ പഠിച്ച് പോകാനാണ് ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്നതെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് ആ ഒരു ലാംഗ്വേജും അതൊന്നും ഇല്ലെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് വേറൊരു സ്ഥലത്തോ വേറൊരു കാര്യങ്ങളിലോ ഒക്കെ കൂടുതൽ ഇൻഫർമേഷൻ ഒന്നും എക്സ്പ്ലോർ ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി പറ്റില്ല. ഇപ്പോൾ ലാംഗ്വേജ് ഇമ്പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യാൻ ഏറ്റവും നല്ല ബെസ്റ്റ് ടൈമിലാണ് ഈ ഒരു സബ്ജക്റ്റ് നമ്മൾ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്തത്. യു ആർ ഇൻ ഫസ്റ്റ് ഇയർ. ഓക്കെ, നൗ those who are finding difficult to talk, or those who are finding difficult to communicate, they can start some online course, or they can search in, you yourself can search a lot of videos in YouTube, or even you can watch a movie for 3 to 4 5 English movie, or some 4 to 5 times you watch, then you will slowly get that language. But problem is, you should not go and watch Mission Impossible and all. Some kind of family drama you watch for some 4 to 5 times, then slowly you will get the language. Like that, now itself you can start preparing and practice, so that your language or communication skill will improve, and at the end of 4th year you can participate in interviews, group discussion, and you can present papers, and then also you can read a lot of articles in internet, and also you can write a lot of articles. So that is what it should happen. It should not go like this till the end of 4th year. Okay, we have 10 more minutes. We will start, I think, one more topic with 5 people. Okay. Next one is Adul A. I think Adul A is available. Let me check the attendance. Okay, Adul A.
Yes, sir.
Adul A, Adul M, Vinod, Chandana, Diya C, Diya TM. Okay, I will give you some 3 minutes. Okay, so the topic is India ready for electric vehicle? Is India ready for electric vehicle? These are a common topic we can easily discuss. Okay, is India ready for electric vehicle? So when I was explaining theory of group discussion, I was telling like you should read newspaper, you should update with day by day news. Okay, then I also explained the rules for group discussion. Okay, there you have to start give a small introduction, and then people have to discuss, and it is not only one time you have to speak. You have to speak for 2-3 times in a discussion. And also you should not discuss the same point. You have to introduce more and more point. Okay, so within this 3 minutes or 5 minutes, you have to write down a lot of important point in a notebook or something, and then you can discuss each of this point. And also in between presentation also you will be getting a lot of similar kind of problem, similar kind of sentences or concepts. Based on that also you can find out new sentences and discuss. Okay, shall we start? Okay, Adul A, Adulam, Vinod, Chandana, Diya TM. One of you can start the discussion.
Yeah.
Okay, Adul.
Sir, in my opinion, the India is not at all ready for electric vehicles because, as you see, India is not a popular country as other countries. Uh, because we didn't have such facility to charge vehicles in the past because in all countries they have Tesla have introduced some charging points throughout the way like petrol pumps. We didn't have that facility. Also, this huge expense to export these vehicles to India. Still, we are using these electric scooters in India. Thus, also we can't afford so much of power, so much of electricity to use in them because ours is a small country, and also we are not producing that much electricity for these types of vehicles. So, all this, in my opinion, India is not ready for electric vehicles at all. We want to go a big much uh, forward to become a condition like that to make our country so much ready for electric vehicles. That's it. Yeah. സാറ് കേൾക്കുന്നുണ്ട്
കേൾക്കുന്നുണ്ട്
സാറ് കഴിഞ്ഞു
ഓക്കെ ഗുഡ് അടുത്ത ആൾക്കാർ
Hello, sir.
Okay, Abdul.
In my opinion, no, India is not ready for using electrical vehicles. More Indians will prefer petrol, diesel driving cars. They do not seem to be ready to buy and use electrical cars due to their slow pickup, slow speed, and non-availability of electrical charging centers in the vicinity of their area. And also, as per the data of Society of Manufacturers of Electrical Vehicles, only 22,000 units of EVs were sold in India by March 2016, and of which 2,000 were four-wheelers. At the same time, sales of electrical cars grew at 94% from 2011 to 15. Just after 9 months of launch of Velas,
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Okay.
In my opinion, electric vehicles are very much needed today among the world's 20 most polluted cities. India is in 13th position, so we have to use electric vehicles to change this. Electric vehicles are 100% eco-friendly and they do not emit toxic gases or smoke in the environment, which leads to global warming and helps to reduce pollution. It requires less maintenance than conventional vehicles as there are fewer fluids to change and fewer moving parts.
ഓക്കെ, ഇപ്പം പറഞ്ഞത് ദിയ സി ആണോ ടി എം ആണോ ഇപ്പം എക്സ്പ്ലെയിൻ ചെയ്തത്?
We are C.
Chandana and
In my opinion, it is not possible for India ready for electric vehicles. Electric vehicles in India has surged in the last 5 years, but there is a still long way to go for the industry to reach a creative point with IC vehicles. Pricing difference between electric vehicles and IC vehicles is a major hindrance ahead of the growth of personal immobility in India.
Diya TM.
In my opinion, India is ready. We are already the leader of e-rickshaw market, and the days are not far from e-scooters like Okinawa and 22 Motors will rock the roads instead of a Honda Activa. Some cities will be experience comfy rides in electric buses, and Tata and Leyland are doing this task pretty well. And state bus companies will also have fast chargers, hence they won't face the charging network issue. But for four-wheelers to be successful, we need certain changes and we are good to go.
Okay, Arya. ആര്യ എന്തിനാണ് റൈസ് ഹാൻഡ് ചെയ്തത്? Okay, anyone, any other points? So two kind of discussion has arrived. One is, India is not ready because cost is more, not enough power sources, etc. Then other is in terms of pollution, India should go for this electric vehicle. Like the two kind of suggestions has come. Okay, now any other points from any of this? Adulam, Chandana, Diya. Okay, okay. Let us continue the same tomorrow also. We have to finish everyone. So I will come with a different topic. Okay, by this, I think, okay, it is comparing with yesterday's session. It is somewhat better now. But you have to go, you should turn into a discussion actually. Like everyone is explaining one point, one set of point, and then closing the discussion. It is not like that. We have to, at least one person has to explain 2-3 points in a discussion, and there should be a conclusion for the discussion. One person has to conclude. That we have to do tomorrow. Okay, so we will meet tomorrow.
Sir, Hiba Fatima present.
Okay, nee iyal exam onnu
Rehan present.
Hiba Fatima.
Sir.